Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this beautiful luscious brown to blonde wig, and I'll tell you all about it in the description box and in this video. And this was sent to me by Yolissa Hair, and they sent me 24 inches bust down wig, and this was a transparent lace, 180 density. And I believe this was their brown with blonde highlights. And I just love it. I styled this in, I don't know what this look is actually called, but I've been seeing a lot on Instagram. And it's like with a fringe and a side part as well. And I thought like, okay, let's do something different. Like, you haven't done this kind of style on yourself in a long time. I mean, as in ever. Like, I've never done something like this. And I kind of took a risk, and the risk paid off, because look at how it's eating. Like, this, it reminds me of like old school meets modern kind of vibes. This, like, I don't know how to call it. It's like, I don't know the era where it's from, but I know I've seen this somewhere. But yeah, it's giving glamour, it's giving Hollywood English, it's giving Hollywood ready. It's giving Hollywood ready, don't y'all think? And yeah, so a lot of things I listed what came in the packaging and all that. But just to start off, before we get into the video, I'm gonna say that this hair, as a review, as like, if I rate it 10 out of 10, I would say this is the best highlighted wig I've ever received. And I have received a lot. I have received a lot of brown wigs that I highlight with like a honey blonde. This is the best one. The color itself, it's just giving, like, the color, the structure of how they did it. I like how the root, it's dark brown here, and it kind of fades, and then it's like streaks of brown, and this pop of more vibrant blonde that you can see. So it's just, it really gives. And I love how it's just like at the back, this is how it looks. Do you understand? Like, it's just, it's different from other like highlighted wigs that I've used and I have received. And I love how all this is black. You see that? That's all. I said black. All this is brown. That's the one thing I love. I love the subtle, the subtlety. Whew, I can't even speak. I like how it just is. That's what I'm gonna say. I just like how it is. And then one thing I didn't really like, but I don't really like with all 613 hair, it's like just shedding. And the shedding wasn't that bad, I would say. It's just the normal amount you would receive from a 613 wig. That's what I would say. And other than that, the lace was very good. You can't even see the lace. It's transparent lace. The lace works really well. I didn't need to bleach the knots because it's already 613. I did tint the lace with a lace tint. I went ahead and plucked a little bit, just a tiny bit. I didn't need to do much because, one, this is the style that I wanted to do, and it was really pre-plucked. There was nothing really too much to do anyway. What else? I think other than that was really good. You can see where it ends. All the company's details down below just for you guys to see. The way to purchase this wig is also going to be my link tree as well, that I'll leave down below, and you're going to get some discounts as well. And yeah, so see you soon. So first things first, I'm using the PBL lace glue, and I will show you that in a second. And I'm just dotting lines, little tiny dots around the area where I want the lace glue to lay and where I want it to be. So this is a PBL lace glue, and I'm going to take the spatula that came with it just to spread the glue around my head and my hairline. This is the original lace how it came, and then this is the tinted lace. As you can see, it's different and brown. I placed the wig on my head. I'm now going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to cut lines and sections into it, and I'm going to take my zigzag scissors as well and cut the lace. If you're using normal scissors, you have to cut the lace in a zigzag motion. And now I'm going to take my wax stick, and I'm going to spray wax the area, section it out, and use my hot comb just to make sure that area is nice and tidy. I'm now styling my baby hairs and my fringe, and yeah, and then this is the finished look.